Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what kit I use to take images like these. Okay, here's a quick video of what's in my camera bag, as I get a lot of questions asking what I take on a race weekend. This is the Shimoda Explore 35 litre. It's a great bag and I've tried loads and this is the best by far I've tried, especially when you've got a lot of weight in it and you're lugging it around all day. On the side I've got a Manfrotto monopod. Again, it's just a cheap one I found online. It does the job. It's only a monopod at the end of the day. The back, Nikon 200 to 500 5.6 with the FTZ adapter. It does the job. The focus is a little bit slow. That's definitely something I want to upgrade. I'm just not too sure what I'm going to go to next. And then the Nikon Z8 with the 70 to 200 2.8, and this is my favourite lens by far. .24 to 70 f4, a nice light compact lens. You know, it's not bad at all, considering it's a kit lens. As much as I would like a 2.8, I can't really justify adding extra weight. Cheap waterproof cover. This will cover the 200 to 500 and the camera, and it's really cheap. I'll leave a link below for these because they're not bad at all. In the top I have case magnetic filters, a 3-stop, 6-stop, 10-stop and a polarizer. Rocket blower, which is really handy, especially when you're doing slow pans. If you see any dust or hair on the sensor, you're best off just to quickly take the lens off, give it a few blows and try and clear it, because it will save you so much time in post-production rather than trying to remove all the dust and hair off the sensor off every image. Lens wipes, lens pen, random snacks, and that's it. And usually I'll have a power bank in there for either my phone or camera batteries, because with these small rig batteries you can charge them on the go, because it's got a USB-C slot on the back of them. And this case is by K&F Concept, and you can fit 4 SD cards and 2 CF Express Type B cards. In the front, rain jacket, rain cover for the bag, and lens wipes, and usually I'll have the camera strap in here as well. Then usually I'll just have a couple of bottles of water on the side, and that's it.